the 2006 Ford Explorer. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: leather upholstery, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, rear wipers, and air conditioning. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.